Okay, how would biologists explain how the mice evolved to have black fur? Um, so the major conditions for natural selection is variation, inheritance of that variation, survival, and then reproduction, I think. So first the variation. The this species of mice used to be this lighter colored fur, um, and there's always genetic mutations happening in this pool, right? So that's variation. It can be lighter fur, it can be darker fur. It doesn't matter. It's just a mutation that's happening. If it works advantageous for the mice, for example, the lava being introduced and the environment changing to a darker colored environment, darker colored mice would survive a lot better. So that's just natural selection. Predators would find lighter colored fur for mice a lot faster. So um, that's how the variation is inherited because the environment favors them, and they can reproduce, more likely to reproduce because they're not dead. Um, so that's how the variation gets inherited because of the survival and reproduction. So that's kind of how the four steps kind of work together. Um, and then the second question, would biologists say that mice changed the fur color because they wanted to? Um, I don't think so. Looking at the provided website, let's see, um, I forget where it is, but basically, genetic mutations doesn't happen because a mouse wants it to happen. It's just a mutation. It's an sort of an error in the genes, right? In this case, the mice case, it's MC1R that caused the mutation. Uh, the It controls the darker pigment in fur, which it mutated to become darker. So even if, yeah, they could not choose. They could not, even if they wanted to, they could not choose to have this change. So that's what I think. And yeah, that is my presentation. Thank you very much.